Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet rugs ideas. It's very cool color combination and themes are very stunning. So I really hope that you all love these beautiful ideas. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive design of handmade crochet rugs. It's very cool design and color combination are especially for summer. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet rugs. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection of these crochet rugs, so these are very beautiful for them and they will love these beautiful and outclass collection. So before now I am sharing with you the benefits of crochet rugs and crochet handmade rugs. It's soft and warm underfoot, easy to make and customize, gentle on floors and surface, can be made of various size and shapes, portable and easy to move, adds a touch of handmade charm to a room, can be used as a decorative or functional mat, easy to clean and maintain, can be made with sustainable and eco-friendly materials, a great way to upcycle and repurpose yarn and material. Crochet rugs are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your home decor while also enjoying the benefits of a handmade, unique, and cozy addition of your space. So, with crochet, you can see crochet is a popular handicraft that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a great hobby for those who enjoy making things with their hands, and it can be very relaxing. So if you are looking for crochet resources, I can offer tutorials. I can provide you step-by-step instructions for basic tutorial of crochet stitches and techniques. Pattern, I can offer a wide range of crochet pattern for various projects, from scarves to blankets to afghan and toys. I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. What would you like to know or make? Let me know and I will do my best to assist you. So, viewer, crochet is a wonderful hobby and it's a great way to create something for your with your own hands, relax and express your creativity. Some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning its meaning is hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 and in South America. Was originally used to make a clothing and accessories and home decor items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide, and millions of people are love these beautiful articles. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, so there's always something new to learn and create. So we were happy crocheting and happy hooking. I am telling you one more time, if you want any type of instruction resources, so I am available all the time for your help. So and I can provide you with the basic rules and instruction and resources to get started. So viewer, if you all love these article and if you want more design and more ideas, like my videos, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.